Hey, what's going on YouTube? So you can see this little 1 second leak. That's equivalent to 5 gallons a day and 2,083 gallons a year. I'll be showing you all how to replace your Moen cartridge for your Eva faucet. This may be compatible for other Moen faucets as well. This is the cartridge number 1224B. Okay? And the way you isolate your leak is go down to your supply line, shut off your water supply, and if it stops leaking, that's the one that you have the problem with here. Next, what you do is you twist this here, twist it off, just like this. Okay. And you can see the way it goes in. See, you can take a little picture of it, but this is the position it has to be in. Then just remove this gold nut here. Once you do that, get your channel locks and lift this up here. Without the cartridge, you can see how it went in. You're going to put the other one in the same position here. Okay. What I would do is make sure you look in there. You don't see any debris. Or better yet, open up the water supply and make sure you run out any debris. Your hand like this. Make sure the water comes out towards the faucet so you can clear out any of the debris. Okay. Once you do that, get your new cartridge. Okay, and then insert it in. Okay. You'll see the little notch on this side where it goes in perfectly. Once you do that, screw this back on. Okay. All right. And then put this back on. Screw that back on like this. Alright, turn on your water supply. Alright, no more leak. So, this video saved you a huge water bill, saved you a service call from a plumber. That alone is probably over $100. And the cartridge, if you're the original owner of the faucet, you can call customer care with Moen, and it's under a lifetime warranty, and you won't pay a penny for the cartridge either. So absolutely free to do this yourself and fix your water leak. Next thing I gotta do is fix my aerator. I'll have a video for that because you can see it's not coming out perfectly. I'm gonna replace my aerator, but I did fix my leak. So you can see my water is on, and I do not have any more water leaking here. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe if this video helped, and I have plenty more of how-tos to save you time and money. Peace out.